I'm Jane. We here at the Hee Haw Hootenanny Research Institute work tirelessly to provide churches around the globe with carnival games that will simply astound you. This year we've enlisted the help of an expert.
They hired me. I'm Pearl, like Earl, but Pearl.
With the help of our expert here, we've developed some thrilling new prototypes that will amaze you. Inspired by the classic cakewalk, we've developed Manna Walk, a much healthier alternative way to teach kids about the children of Israel.
Come one, come all. And don't forget to bring your firstborn children, because your family's gonna love King Herod's Hunger Games.
I'm gonna win this thing.
No, I am.
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 No, I am. I'm gonna win this thing.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Of course, most of these games are still being tested on right now, but one thing's for sure. This year's Hee Haw Hootenanny
It's gonna be the best Hee Haw Hootenanny there ever Hee Haw Hootenanny was.
Now I know what you're thinking. What is a Hee Haw Hootenanny?
It's the Hillbilly Fall Festival. But seriously, y'all, come join us at Lighthouse Church at 6 p.m. October 28th.
There will be a bunch of Hee Haw Hootenanny games, costumes, candy, and hot dogs.
So come on out.